God provided us with a beautiful piece of land here, property. Our property actually goes back there beyond those trees into a river that flows. And you see these two lakes here in front of us. There weren't always lakes there, but we took the land and dirt from that lakes that they use bricks from, and we opened it up so that we can start growing fish and provide some sustainability in this place we call Su Refugio. But one thing that we needed to do was we needed to develop a wastewater treatment system so that whatever left this property would not pollute. And that's a problem we have here in Paraguay because there are no treatment plants. And so all of the wastewater and the sewage and everything goes directly into the rivers or into the lakes, and they continue to have pollution. That's not how God created things. God is a God of order, and He provided all the natural resources that we need to treat our systems and our wastes. And so here at Su Refugio, you have all of the systems and the wastewater flowing down to this lower part towards the lake. But before it reaches the lake, we intercept it and we take it into this treatment plants. There are two pumps in these two cylinders here, but that's the only mechanical process that we use at all at Su Refugio for processing and cleaning our wastes. The water then enters into these two different separate tanks through a series of different little tanks, and they're treated through a natural biological system and to consume all of the organic matter before we would ever discharge it. And once the waste is treated, it enters through a system of perforated pipes and goes out into these mounds here. And God then takes that water and liquid and He evaporates it up into the air and purifies it. And if any water would ever leave this area, it would go down in a little channel where we'd have water hyacinths and water lilies, and that would take up phosphorus and nitrogen before it enters this lake. You can see here. And once it passes through the lakes, it gets more treatment, and then it goes to a river. Our goal here is not just to treat this wastewater, but really to show God's glory through it as well. And you say, how can we do that? We can bring high school students here, we can bring university students here, and we can teach them how to use God's resources to treat their wastewater. And as we show them the processes here, we will demonstrate how everything that leaves, every drop of water that leaves this piece of property will be cleaner than any water it enters. And so we do that through a series of laboratory results, and when we show that to the students and show them how to do it, we can share the gospel with them, because this just didn't happen by coincidence. God created this for us.